Hello! Happy New Year to everybody! And some customer asked me to do a video about observing knives, but actually I don't have much knives. But I found this one, a very small and very old knife, very dirty, and I can't clear them very well. So anyway, today I will do a video about this one, and maybe a few days later I will find other knives and do more videos about it. Okay. EDSM 201, our USB and HDMI double output microscope. Here we go. This. Maybe the stand color is similar with the knives, so I use this to make it more clear.